Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy knotted updo. To start, I've left some hair out to frame the face, and I'm just going to divide the rest of the hair from the top of the ears across. And we're just going to twist this and clip it on the top of the head for later. Pop the remaining hair into a low ponytail. Now grab hold of that ponytail and twist it, and then all we're going to do is wrap it around the base of the ponytail to create a bun, and then secure it all the way around the outside of that bun using as many bobby pins as needed. Release the top section of hair down, and we're going to divide this into 3 equal sections, so you should have a middle, a left and a right section. So starting on that middle section, all I'm going to do is divide it in half and create a simple knot as if you're tying your shoelaces. Pull it so it sits tight to the head and slip a couple of bobby pins through the centre of the knot to keep it nice and secure. Apply some texture spray all over the top of the head and the knot. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below for you. Then use your fingers and thumbs to pinch and pull at the hair and also the knot, just to create a little bit more messy volume. Now working on those side sections, I'm going to split this in half, kind of diagonally. So we're going to do it on the left and the right hand side. Now bring these sections together at the back of the head, and we're going to do one more knot, and we're going to pull this tight so it sits under the first one. Again, slip a couple of bobby pins through the centre of the knot to keep it nice and secure. Apply your texture spray, and then we're going to pinch and pull at both the side sections so you're matching the texture that you've got on the top of the hair. And also pinch and pull at that knot again. Now I'm going to take the remaining hair on the left and combine it with the end tails of that knot, and we're going to do the same on the right hand side. So join everything together and create one more knot, which we're going to lay over the middle of that bun. Again, pop some bobby pins through the centre of the knot to keep it still. Apply your texture spray and pinch and pull it. Now taking those 2 tail ends, I'm going to create one more knot. And to secure this, I'm just going to take each side and wrap it around a bobby pin, and then all we're going to do is tuck this up and into the bun. And then just repeat this on the opposite side. Apply your texture spray and pinch and pull that knot apart. Don't forget to add a bobby pin to the centre of the knot to keep it secure. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.